Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Legion 5 Pro. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo Legion 5 Pro gets so hot that it burns to the touch, you're not alone. This overheating issue is often caused by degraded thermal paste, which is essential for transferring heat away from the CPU and GPU. If left unattended, this can lead to significant damage to your components, reducing the lifespan of your laptop. To prevent this, we recommend replacing the thermal paste regularly. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, thermal paste, a plastic spudger, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Begin by removing the back panel. Use a screwdriver to take out the screws securing the panel, and gently use a spudger to pry it open without damaging the casing. Once inside, locate the CPU and GPU, which are typically covered by heat sinks. Carefully detach these heat sinks by unscrewing them, noting the position of each screw for reassembly. You should now see the old thermal paste. Using a lint-free cloth and some isopropyl alcohol, clean off the old paste from both the chip and the heat sink. Apply a small amount of new thermal paste to the center of each chip. A pea-sized amount is usually sufficient. Reattach the heat sinks, ensuring they are secured evenly to avoid any pressure points. Remember to reconnect any cables you may have disconnected during this process. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is back in place, replace the back panel and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Finally, power on your laptop and monitor its temperature. By performing this maintenance, you can help ensure your Lenovo Legion 5 Pro runs smoothly and stays cool. To avoid future overheating issues, keep your laptop clean and dust-free, and consider using a cooling pad during intensive tasks. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.